Hey everybody, Happy New Year. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about the new Paid Family Medical Leave Act that the Connecticut General Assembly passed last session. So this year, starting January 1st, all employees in the state of Connecticut, except for public employees, need to start contributing 0.05% of their pay every week into a fund that will allow them to start collecting paid family medical leave in January of 2022. So what that means is, if you make $1,000 a week, $5 every week is going to come out of your paycheck and go into this fund that's going to be managed by the state of Connecticut. Then beginning in 2022, if you've paid into the fund, which is mandatory for most private employees, you'll be eligible for paid family leave up to 12 weeks annually to deal with your own serious health condition or the serious health condition of a family member. You'll be able to take the time off from work and continue to collect up to 95% of your pay. There's been a lot of talk about this going into effect in Connecticut for years, and finally last year, the General Assembly was able to pass the legislation. I'm not a big fan of the legislation, not because I don't care about folks who have to deal with illness or injury or family illness, but because I think that the idea of making this available to a wide class of workers is going to lead to a tremendous amount of abuse. I think for most folks, if they need to have some sort of insurance against a long-term illness or a disability, that they need to buy insurance. That's what I did 30 years ago. And I think that's probably the best way to ensure security for people without overburdening the government or the taxpayer. In any event, this is a plan that's available for, as I said, private employees. Public sector workers like police officers or teachers or firefighters don't have access to this plan. I think the idea is because most of those workers are represented by unions, and so unions negotiate for those benefits. And in fact, most unionized employees have paid sick leave benefits for at least a period of time. Not usually 12 weeks though. Usually anywhere between 2 and 3 weeks per year. So that's the new law that's in effect. For those people who are eligible for it, it's going to be a huge benefit and it's going to make many lives easier. We just hope there's not too much abuse of the program.